Welcome back to the channel.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel.
Guess where we're at?
We're back at 365. So we got some important announcement today. We got two important announcements today. Number one, now we are representing Verus Engineering. Ooh.
Subious bros.
So today we're gonna be installing non-aggressive rear diffuser to my STI. Number two.
Actually, it's three if you want to say it all together.
Oh, is it three?
One, we're gonna go to MB Performance and get my ditch light brackets. Number two on me is we're gonna be putting Baja ditch lights and some light bars on the Forester.
Well, that's like four announcements then.
Oh, I figured so.
Most important one, October 31st.
Why you gotta tell them early? You should be like,
We are having our track day. Here's the reaction.
oh,
We'll go one more time. October 31st, we're having our track day.
I thought he was gonna keep it a secret and say, we'll tell you at the end of the video.
No, the reason why we're revealing today is now we have descriptions that are going below, and make sure you guys sign up for the track day. Maximum cars, we're gonna have up to maybe 50 cars, and 365 is going to be our track day title sponsor. So we're gonna be doing, there we go.
It's backwards.
Throttle is not, but 365 is.
Subious bros.
We're gonna have our track day, so I think it's a good time to put a rear diffuser, and we're gonna put some more modification to my STI until the track day. But today, we're gonna do some little unboxing because today is the first time we're opening this Verus rear diffuser box, and they got some goodies for us because now we are their brand ambassador. I don't think there's any goodies inside.
Oh yeah, that's the diffuser right there. Oh yeah. Is it heavy?
Oh, it's actually
Very light.
Oh, here we go. We got a Verus t-shirts.
There's t-shirts,
We got some stickers and
lanyards.
So satisfying. This is what you get with your diffuser. You got all day to pop it as much as you want.
A few moments later.
Where are we, Justin?
You're at MB Custom Fab. We are here to get some custom work. We're gonna do more custom work with them, but this is a little beginning of working with
just
them.
a little project.
Very little, but we're gonna do a lot more stuff with them.
This Civic right here, custom everything, 900 horsepower.
So they do custom work for all vehicles, roll cages, front bumpers, everything. You name it, they can make it custom. You just gotta have your imagination to build it.
Oh, they got all kinds of fun stuff right here. That's where the magic happens, right there. Okay, so we're done with MB, right?
Yes.
No, you're doing that thing again. Is that gonna be your thing now?
Yeah.
while
when
I'm
we
shooting?
start with the video.
You're like doing funny face?
Yes. Yes, MB put it in the brackets. We're now going to 365 to put in the ditch lights and my light bar.
And meanwhile,
Meanwhile,
Alan's working on Justin's Forester again. Alan is doing the lighting work again.
Yes, sir.
Hey, where's your license plate?
Oh, I lost it. What is it? Off-roading.
That trip last time with Mr. Laurent,
Oh, I lost it on that trip.
we lost a lot of things. We Oh, that looks nice.
Oh, Jackson's
We're gonna
coming
Mr.
up.
Jackson back here. Okay, to my right is my STI. We just installed a brand new rear diffuser by Verus. Is it Verus or Verus?
It's Verus.
Verus Engineering. And to my left, Justin's new lights. Why don't you turn on those lights?
Oh, I'll get you some lights on. Lights on. Oh, you got those lights?
Thank you, sir.
You got those lights.
Oh, it's kind of bright. You can't see it.
You can't really see.
But if we come back here, there's the lights. So we can't wait till we go back out there and night run in the trails. Those lights are going to help 100%, right?
Yes.
Okay, and
Night runs
Night runs.
will be awesome.
It's
now.
coming soon. Okay, guys, so we're gonna have to end our video here today. We ended a little earlier than we thought,
Yeah.
but we did our install at the 365. We went to MB Custom Fab to custom fit that bracket for Justin's light. So as we build off-road building and my track car building, it's keep coming up. So as we go more, and as we explained earlier, we revealed that we're gonna have our track day October 31st. This is going to call Track or Treat. We're gonna do it on Halloween day, so I want you guys to dress up when you guys come. Bring some candies. It's gonna be family and friends fun day. We're gonna do some barbecue. It's gonna be fun all day long, so come out and hang out with us. Those of you who would want to run track with us, make sure you guys sign up. We're gonna have a description down link below. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.
Peace.
Track. There's more in store, guys. If you guys don't know, Reaction is doing something a little special for me. That's a hint, hint.
Wait a minute, I thought you liked the secret stuff.
Oh, I'm not telling them what they're doing.
That's supposed to be a secret?
I'm not gonna tell you what they're doing. That's a secret.
Okay.
But they're doing a little stuff for me. Hint, hint. Hopefully that's another video when we fully get.
Yeah.